This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hi, I'm Chelsey, and welcome to day 3. Today, I've blended in some yoga to really work on that strength. So take your time, breathe through this, and we got it. You won't need any equipment for today, but I do recommend a mat or a comfy place to work out in. Welcome to my 10-day fitness challenge. 10 days of quick workouts to torch calories and build lean muscle. We're doing Tabata workouts with short, intense intervals to help you get the most out of your workout. All right, the first exercise is the only one we're doing single-sided. We're gonna start on the side plank, really drive and plant that inside leg. And with the top leg, we're gonna extend that arm and bring that elbow into that knee, and then extend back out. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We have 10 seconds. Get into that position, and here we go. And 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Nice and slow. Really engaging that side. Keeping that core nice and strong. Keep breathing in this. You got it. We are almost there. Last 10 seconds. Nice and slow, finding that connection. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Other side. Remember, right over that wrist. Extend that arm. Here we go. Elbow to knee. Steady that breath. Feel that warmth in that body. We are working today. Beautiful. Everything may seem easy, but it is hard work. Keep connecting that elbow to knee. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. From here, we're gonna plant our hands, come into the down dog position, and then shift our weight all the way forward, past our hands. Exhale, press it back. Beautiful, keep this going, shifting our weight forward into this plank, engaging that core, exhaling, pressing it back. Beautiful, use that breath. Keep everything nice and strong. Almost there. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Stay in this plank. We're lowering down nice and slow. Chaturanga. Pressing those shoulder blades down. And then hinging back. Starting again. Lowering down Chaturanga. Inhale up Cobra. And then exhale back to that child's pose. Again, nice and slow on this going down Chaturanga. Beautiful. Really working those triceps, engaging that core. Challenge yourself right here. 2 and 1. Beautiful. We're gonna switch. Take a seat. Okay, from here, picking those hips up, reverse tabletop, and then pressing back, sliding through those arms. Here we go. Squeeze the glutes, press up, reverse tabletop. Exhale, I'd like to rock back on those heels. And then again, nice and slow. Working through this movement. Pressing out of those shoulder blades, really using that core. Beautiful. So inhale, come up, almost there. 3, 2, exhale, press it back. Beautiful. From here, take those legs up, high boat. Using that core, drop down into a low boat, and then bring it back up. Here we go. Take it down. Remember, nice and slow with this movement. Nice. Keep moving, pause for a second, and then come back up. Find that balance. Stay stable. If you're shaking, embrace those shakes. That means those muscles are working even harder. Almost there for 3, 2, and 1. Okay, from here, we're gonna stand up into chair pose. So bring those feet together, send the hips back, rotate those hands, those pinkies towards the front. Stay right here. So holding, breathe through this. And remember, create that beautiful chair for yourself. So nice and low. Press those shoulders down. Reach through the fingertips. We are almost there, guys. Okay, keep reaching, keep pulling, keep pressing. 3, 2. All right, come out of this chair. Take the legs nice and wide, toes pointing to the corners of your mat. Come on down. We're gonna stay here for little pulses. So little up and down, not big, but nice and small. Really engaging the inner thighs and those glutes. Keep that chest nice and proud. We want that upper body to come straight down. Almost there. Embrace that burn. Keep breathing. Keep pushing through this. 3, 2. Staying right here. Extend those arms out. Now we're going to take that right hand to that right ankle, straightening the other leg, back to center, and switch other side. So getting into this nice triangle and back to center. Shifting that weight. Take your time. Keep that balance. Keep those knees pressing back. Beautiful. Changing that gaze. Nice job. Almost there. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. Thank you again for joining me today. Be sure and grab some water, and I can't wait to see you for day 4. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss my videos. Follow us on social media for giveaways and daily inspiration. This video is brought to you by our loyal patrons and YouTube channel members. Hi, I'm Chelsey Jones, and I hope you'll join me for my 10-day fitness challenge. Tabata is a form of high-intensity interval training with short, intense intervals to maximize the calorie-burning benefits. This 10-day program will amp up your metabolism as we build strength and stamina. We'll be posting all 10 days on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe and I will see you day 1.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.